Hello, Tony.
Hello,
How are you, Tony?
I'm fine.
You're fine. That's good to hear. Have you eaten your dinner already? Finished
Yes,
eating?
I do.
Yes, you did. All right. That's good to hear. Because today, Tony, we are going to have a new lesson. But before we go to our new lesson, I have a video that you're going to watch. It's a Vietnamese video. I don't understand this, but you understand this one. So you have to listen. You have to watch properly, Tony, because later after the video, I'm going to ask you questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I have here this one, and this is for your own good, and I want you to watch it. Let me see if I
Hey.
share the screen.
Xin chào tất cả các thầy cô giáo và các bậc cha mẹ. Như ở các video trước mình đã chia sẻ, đó chính là chúng ta sẽ có những bài học dành cho các bạn nhỏ liên quan tới việc vượt qua và kiểm soát cảm xúc. Và chủ đề đầu tiên mà chúng mình đưa đến với các bạn nhỏ đấy chính là
Farewell, Tony. Farewell.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. I think this is not the video for you. Farewell, farewell, farewell. Sorry, Tony. This is the one for a while. I'm gonna open it. Okay. Here. Okay, Tony, here is your video. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Good. You listen carefully.
One.
Xin chào tất cả các bạn, chúng mình hãy cùng làm quen với bạn rùa có tên gọi là Tupi nhé. Tupi là một bạn rùa, các bạn thấy thế nào ạ? Rất dễ thương phải không? Tupi sống ở trong một cái ao gần ngay trường học của mình và có rất nhiều bạn bè ở xung quanh. Tupi rất thích bơi lội và chơi với các bạn bè của mình. Nhưng có rất nhiều lúc thì Tupi cảm thấy tức giận. Lý do mà Tupi tức giận là vì bạn vịt bơi và chạm vào người của Tupi. Bạn cá sấu giằng đồ chơi của Tupi. Hoặc là bạn ngỗng thì kêu inh ỏi làm Tupi cảm thấy vô cùng khó chịu. Những lúc như thế, Tupi thấy mặt mình giận dữ. Và Tupi thực sự có cảm giác gì đó mà bứt rứt không yên. Các bạn thử nghĩ xem, vậy thì Tupi đang gặp cảm xúc gì nhỉ? Chính xác, đó là cảm xúc tức giận. Và chúng mình cùng thảo luận xem những lý do khiến cho Tupi tức giận là gì? Các bạn đã trả lời đúng rồi. Và với mình thì sao nhỉ? Các bạn nhỏ ơi, các bạn có bao giờ tức giận không? Hãy liệt kê những lý do mà các bạn tức giận nhé. Có thể đó là bạn buộc phải học bài khi mà bạn không mong muốn. Bạn cũng bị giằng đồ chơi giống như Tupi. Hoặc ai đó làm phiền, làm ồn hoặc là cắt ngang. Cũng có khi do bạn đói, bạn mệt. Cũng có khi bạn bị bắt ép phải làm một việc gì đó mà bạn không thích. Hãy liệt kê thêm những lý do khiến cho chúng mình tức giận. Và nhớ là đừng quên Tupi, một bạn rùa dễ thương nhưng thỉnh thoảng gặp phải cảm xúc khó chịu các bạn nhé.
That was a very short video about, what's the name of the turtle again, Tony?
It's Tupi.
Okay. What was the emotion of Tupi? Topi was?
Emotion what?
Emotion. What happened to Topi in the given short video? He was?
Emotion what?
Emotion, the feelings of Topi. What was the feelings of Topi when the crocodile snatches his toy? When they were so noisy in the pond because Topi is living in the pond near the school. What was his feeling when there's so many noise? When the crocodile snatches his toy? How does Topi feel about it? Was Topi happy when someone
No.
annoys him? Oh,
Toby is angry.
angry. Oh, do you know what is angry?
Yes.
Yes. How about you, Tony? Do you also feel angry?
Yes.
Yes. What do you do if you're angry?
Because I'm
What makes you angry? Why Tony's angry sometimes? Because are you feeling tired, hungry, annoyed?
because
Is someone bothering you, like your friends, your classmates? Why are you angry sometimes? Because
because my friend is
friends
not play with me.
are not playing with you. Okay, so your friends will not play with you, and sometimes you feel angry. Is it good to be angry?
Yes.
Oh, angry is not a good feeling because if you keep on doing like this, frowning because you're angry, if you get older, Tony, your face will be look like this. You will look so old if you keep on doing like this, like frowning because you are angry. Okay? So if your friends don't want to play with you, then look for someone who can play with you. Oh, you have to look for another set of friends, go to your classmates. If they're busy doing something, you can just play with yourself. Okay? Let's try to understand that there are things that we cannot force. Okay? Maybe your classmates don't want to play with you because they feel tired. Right? If they feel tired, they sometimes don't want to play. So if they feel tired, if they don't feel like playing, Tony, you have to understand that. Okay? Because maybe they got tired in the school. Do you also feel tired in the school?
Mm,
Do you feel tired if you're in the school, like studying?
no.
No? Wow, you are very energetic because you don't feel tired at all. But Tony, sometimes our classmates don't have the same feelings like we have. Okay? So we have to understand. We have to think that, oh, maybe my classmates will not play with me because they have something to do. They're very tired in school and other things. Okay? So, Tony, is it good to be angry? Is it good to be angry?
Yes.
Oh no, it's not good to be angry because if you always feel angry unto someone, you will hurt your feelings, okay? You will always be sad. Always find ways to be happy. If no one will play with you, then think of some activities that you can do that can make you feel happy. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So, Tony, let's move now to our lesson this evening. Okay, so I will be sharing this lesson with you so we can now start with our proper lesson. Oh, every time we will have a class, you will watch a video like those to learn something about our
At,
feelings. Okay, Tony, what is Unit 15 all about?
at our school.
All right, so this time, Tony, we will be talking about our school. So here, I have here vocabulary words. Could you please read, Tony, properly? What are the words in the picture?
Board.
Board. Next,
Map.
map and
Rubber.
rubber. Tony. Or
Eraser.
eraser. Very good, because you know the other word of this. Tony, where can we find board, map, and eraser? Or rubber, where can we find this? Tony, where can we find a board? Do you find...
I can find a board next to the TV.
Oh, next to the TV, you have a board next to your TV? Where? What place? Do you see a board in the market? In the playground? Where can we find a board like this? Which place? Yeah.
I can see the board like this in the classroom.
Very good. In the classroom. How about a map? Do you know what is a map?
Yes.
Okay. What is the use of map? Map is used for?
Map is me for
Is it for listening? Is it for cooking?
for treasure.
For treasure? Okay, that's correct. But also, Tony, map is used to find the place where you want to go. Example, you want to visit Singapore and you want to know where you stay at the hotel. You don't know where can you find it. So what will you do? You look for a map and try to locate or find where the place is. That's the use of the map. Understand? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. And how about eraser or the rubber? You said rubber is also named as eraser. That's correct. What's the use of eraser or rubber? We use rubber to...
We use rubber to
in school. We use rubber in school. How? We use the rubber to... Do you have rubber in the school? Do you have?
yes.
Oh, why do you use the rubber, Tony? Why do we use rubber? We use rubber to...
I use rubber to
What is it? To... Come on. Do you have the idea?
Để tẩy chữ. Xóa. Tẩy, tẩy, tẩy chữ.
Go now. We use rubber to erase what do you erase in the paper?
What is tẩy?
Erase? You don't know what's erase? Erase, Tony, is with me. I'll find the Vietnamese word for erase.
Oh, I know.
What is it?
To teletecher.
Again, two?
To teletecher.
What's that? Teletecher. It is used to erase
To
the mistake.
teletecher.
To delete word. Erase. Okay? If we say, wait, where's Tony? Hello, Tony. Hi. Okay, so here we go, Tony. So the rubber is used to erase. In Vietnamese, it's, how do you read the word? Pai xóa? Ta. I don't know how to read the word, okay? Erase means to change the mistake. Example, you wrote the wrong answers and you were able to think that, oh, I wrote the wrong answer. I want to change it. So what will you do with your answers in the paper? You use the rubber to erase it, okay? Understand? Get it? Tony, are you still there? Okay, so that's the use of the rubber. So I know you know what a rubber is. Okay, how about these words? What are these words, Tony? There are 3 words. We have page. Next,
tick,
tick, and
point,
point. Tony, do you understand these 3 words?
yes,
Good. Okay, let's move now. Another set of words we have.
bottom,
Bottom. Next,
river,
river, and
road,
okay, do you understand these words? You know these words? Okay, you know these
yes,
words? Good. Okay, good, good. Now here, let's move to the next and next slide. Okay, 3 more words, Tony. We have
mistake,
mistake. Next,
some different,
different, same and different, and
same, different,
correct, and
correct,
correct.
correct,
Very good. Tony, do you understand these words?
yes, and understand,
I understand. Correct. Now here, I have here the review of the past simple tense. How to use the past simple tense. Do you have idea in here? Okay. Look at here, Tony. If we say past, it means that the action or the situation is done already. Finish doing the action. That's past simple tense. Okay? Finish the action. Done already. Now here. In writing sentences in the past simple form or past simple tense, we use the word was and where. Okay? Was and where is only used for the past simple tense. Tony, we have here, if it's a present tense, if the action is done today, at this moment, we use is. Okay? And if the action, if is only used for singular, only one, while are is used for many. This is for present. But if the action is done already, finished doing the action, we use was instead of is. And we use where instead of are. You know how to use was and where? Good. Okay, next, Tony. Next, aside from changing the verbs like this, the is and are, we also have here, Tony, the verbs in a past form. Most of the time, we add ed. For example, play, present, but it's if in the past form, we say played. We put ed, played. Okay? Example, plant. We add ed, it will turn into, what's the word, Tony? What's the past tense of plant? Past of plant is add ed. What will happen to the word plant? It will now be add ed to the word plant. What is the word now? Play, played, plant will turn into planted. Add ed to the verb.
Hiện tại thì
Ed.
chơi
Okay?
đã
Play,
chơi này lên là
plant,
chi
planted. Okay? But Tony,
tiếp là chi
this is not for all
Yes.
verbs. Okay? Verbs with that can be added ed are what we call regular verbs. Easy. Regular verbs. If it's a regular verb, just simply
chơi.
put ed.
Còn cái đi
But Tony, if the verb
Em
is
phải học rồi ra cái gì?
irregular, this one, irregular, what will you do if it's irregular verb to make it in the past form? We change the
Lên là
spelling.
cây nhưng mà vì động từ nó là trồng
Okay?
trồng
Change the spelling. Example,
Cái là
it.
trồng này
Oh, it will become it. See? Change spelling. No ed because it is an irregular verb. It's not the same with play, played, plant, planted, because there are some verbs which are irregular. Okay?
đây là
Change.
từ thường
Another word.
đi hỏi
Tony,
bình thường
what is the
bây giờ học
past
đứt này hiểu chưa
form of sleep?
hiểu chưa
How about sleep?
hiện tại là đu là đây là đứt này
What's the past of sleep? It's
Is sleep.
oh, sleep is now, today, this time. How about I sleep last night, past already, done already. What will I say? I blank last night. Is it still sleep?
Sleeping.
Sleeped. Sleep is an irregular verb. What will you do? Sleep will become, look at here. What's the answer?
Sleep.
Slept. Again.
Slept.
Yeah. Slept. How about this one, Tony? This one. How about drink? What's the past of drink? Past simple tense of drink. I drink water this morning. That's past. What to do with a drink? It's not drink anymore. Is it drinked?
No.
What is it? What do you think, Tony? Drink will now be? It's? Change the spelling. What's the answer? Drink will
Drunk.
turn into drunk. Yeah. How about right? Oh, past tense of right. Is it difficult? You don't know this? Look at Tony. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Because it will give more examples about this. So right will become, Tony, right will become wrote. Okay? So these words here, Tony, are example of irregular verbs. There's more like this. Don't worry. Okay? Now, here. Okay. If it's also in a question form, we use was and where. Okay? Was and where plus the subject. Sorry. Okay, wait, Tony, you enter again to the Zoom because the Zoom is about to close, okay? I will continue this one for a while. You enter again.